Ooh, just got it on this channel too.
Oh shoot, here it goes.
Abducted children in Tacoma, Pierce County, Washington. The Tacoma Police Department is looking for two children who were last seen and believed to be in danger in the Tacoma area. The children's names are Ava Belt, a 5-month-old black female with brown hair and brown eyes. She is believed to be weighing 24 pounds. The second child, Nakisha Belt, is an 18-year-old black female with brown hair and brown eyes. Authorities say the children may be in the company of Mikhail Gordon, a 17-year-old black male with black hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 210 pounds. He was last seen wearing all black clothing. They may be traveling in a 2004 black Cadillac CTS with Washington license plate AUM 2481. If you have any information on whereabouts of these children, please call 911 immediately or contact the Tacoma Police Department at 253-798-4722. We have just received this important information regarding two abducted children in Tacoma, Pierce County, Washington. The Tacoma Police Department is looking for two children who were last seen and believed to be in danger in the Tacoma area. The children's names are Ava Belk, a 5-month-old black female with brown hair and brown eyes. She is believed to be weighing 24 pounds. The second child, Nakisha Belk, is an 18-year-old black female with brown hair and brown eyes. Authorities say the children may be in the company of Mikhail Gordon, a 17-year-old black male with black hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 210 pounds. He was last seen wearing all black clothing. They may be traveling in a 2004 black Cadillac CTS with Washington license plate AUM 2481. If you have any information on whereabouts of these children, please call 911 immediately or contact the Tacoma Police Department at 253-798-4722.